especially in classics. 1968 Buick Electra 225 Custom, also known as the Deuce and a Quarter. Underneath the hood, 455 V8. So no, we are not representing this one as numbers matching. It's actually a 455 out of 1970 to 71 Buick. You can check out the casting. And with our still pictures, is going to show you the origin of this engine. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And as you can see, the paint shows nicely. Reflection of the lights and the ceiling coming off of it. This would be a T paint coat, so it can be desert beige. And that would be the original color this car would have came. Although it does appear that it has had a paint job. Some restoration work done to it. Interior would be buckskin. Vinyl bench. That would also be correct to the way this car would have came back in 1968. That would be a 633 trim code. Now, the one thing maybe you Buick experts out there can answer for me, this top is obviously painted a buckskin color to match. On the trim tag, data tag, cowl tag, whichever you'd like to call it, it was a T7, I believe. So I'm guessing that that was probably originally a buckskin vinyl roof on this car. But like I said, if any of our Buick experts out there could answer it for us, let us know. Now it is a painted roof to match. Remember, if you have a trade, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust coming out the rear of this car. We started up, it sounds good. It sounds a little more muscly than you would probably expect coming out of a Buick Electra. So it'll definitely turn some heads. And remember, if you want to check out that engine bay, trunk, undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, and you can see these long panels. Look at how straight they are, and it's that straight both sides. Definitely a head turner. Came to us from a Buick collector. He likes to switch his cars around a little bit. Has 4 or 5 of them. Decided it was time for a change. Does have power seats, as you can see. And this works in the forward and backwards position. Did not have it working in the up or down. Also power windows. Those do work. I mentioned power steering, power brakes, and AC. The AC does, compressor kicks on and off, seems to blow cold. The fan is on high only, FYI. Radio I had power up, could not get any sound or reception, and the power antenna, I did not get that to go up and down. Wipers do work, so there's a little rundown in the accessories. Take a look at the vinyl on the seat. No rips, tears, holes. Front and rear, both in that condition. Take a look at the headliner. Also in fine shape. Let's start this up, so you can hear it. One of the best things of this car. Odometer reads 21,667. Cannot confirm or deny if that is actual miles. Once a car is so old, it does not stay on the title. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a look at the dash. Also in nice shape. Here's the fuel gauge is working. Slip around behind this so you hear it run. This car sounds great. Door closes nicely. Listen to this. A little rumble coming out of that Buick. Again, 455 underneath the hood. 70 to 71. 455. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take both hands to get this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, take a look under this hood. Nice and tidy. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Got a little muscle look to it underneath here. There you go, 1968 Buick Electra 225 custom 2-door hardtop, 455 underneath the hood, paired up with turbo 400 automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.